What's really going on, guys? Ramon Sanchez right here with Century 21 All-Stars, the #1 office in the state of California for all Century 21s. I'm right here with my business partner,
Matt Sanchez.
That's right. I'm the listing specialist. Matthew,
I'm the buyer specialist.
That's right. And we work together to help the dream happen, making real estate real for people.
Let's go.
Now, this is a beautiful property right here in the city of Lakewood. As you guys know, Lakewood is one of the fastest moving cities in all the area, the southeast area. And right now, we're going to take a look at this property right now. It's a 3-bedroom house in the front with a 1 bath. And there's a brand new house in the back.
That's right. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit in the back, all permitted. And hey, if you can take $2,000 off your monthly mortgage, $1,800 probably safely,
Yep.
Why not? You can rent that thing out, save a little bit on mortgage.
And that's a 400 square foot house in the back. We'll get to take a look at that. For those of you that have family that want to be with you, or maybe you have college kids that want to live with you, or maybe you have in-laws that want to live with you. Either way, this is the perfect setup for that type of family that's looking for an opportunity.
Yeah.
Let's do a walkthrough and take a look. Come on. What's going on, guys? Ramon Sanchez here one more time. Let's do the walkthrough, guys. This is it, guys. This right here is the dining area where we create
family memories.
Hey man, that's right. Let's go ahead and do a walkthrough, guys, and we just walk through this. So we have the kitchen. Now in the kitchen, as you can see, all the floor throughout the whole house is brand new. The sellers decided we're gonna put some brand new flooring, and this is what you have right here. The cabinets that were installed actually some years back, but all they ended up doing here is refinish them, painting them white, and then we got some nice little granite countertops right here, and you got appliances that are stainless steel appliances. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's all part of the house. It's all staying. Let's go to the next room.
Beautiful bedroom here with a 2-sided closet. You can see the big spacious closet spaces there with shelves and a place to hang all your coats and clothes, and even some extra drawers. Look at that, huh? Beautiful natural light from the beautiful street here in the area with that, oh my gosh, look at that view of the trees and all the neighborhood, and you know, new flooring and all that good stuff, and even a new ceiling fan. You know, got central AC throughout the house, all that good stuff. Come check it out over here in the living room.
And one of the things you guys gonna see that is we have wainscoting throughout the whole dining area over there by the kitchen and right here at the entrance of the house, which helps to give the house, you know, something different, something good character, beautiful. People love that. And then you walk into the family room or living room, and this is where it goes right into the back. And we'll go in the back and take a look at that. But take a look at the rest of the house. Here's the other bedroom. We put brand new blinds, or the seller did, and we put brand new mirror closet doors right here, which, you know, it's always good to have this, and whenever you're changing, whenever you're getting ready to go party, have some good time, you want to have that. Brand new doors, brand new paint, and there we have a
beautiful bathroom here, full bathroom, freshly coated paint, resealed even the tub and everything good in here. You can check it out. You got the toilet, straightforward, and even a little linen area for your towels and your clothes or whatever you want to have there. You know, ready to go. So when you take a shower, use the restroom, you're all set to go.
And finally, guys, you guys have the little baby room right here. We call it the baby room. It's the same as the other room. They're both very similar size, but as you guys can see, again, the floor is exactly the same throughout the house. So you have a nice, easy flowing, nice mirror closet doors, brand new ceiling fans throughout, nice brand new blinds throughout, and of course it makes the house look really nice, easy flowing. Now let's go to the back. Let's take a look at the back. The beautiful thing about this property, again, like I said, the sellers decided to build a brand new 400 square foot ADU. Go ahead and show them, Matthew, what we have here.
Absolutely. So we got a beautiful entrance here. You got even a little front yard, right, for whoever's in the back unit. And look at this, good solid wood door, okay? This means it was done well. It wasn't some rinky-dinky work. So you got a beautiful little living space with a mini split up there. So that way if you get cold or hot, you can control the climate with dual pane windows over there. All right, fresh coat of paint, new flooring, you'll see that here. And it gives you an idea, right? You got a little eating area for your kitchen, right? So you know, you can see the beautiful countertops with the stainless steel appliances. You got a dishwasher, microwave, stove, and a fridge, right? I mean, you can really tell, you know, it's definitely an efficient use of space, I should say here. We've got a beautiful little window there in front of the kitchen sink. All right. And then if you come check out over here, you got a stackable washer dryer here. So like I said, efficient use of space you got here for this back unit, for whoever has it, right? Or whoever's gonna live in it. You got a full bathroom here to the right. Okay, so we got the standing shower and then a sink to the right over here, right behind the door. And of course, you got the beautiful bedroom right over here with its own window. It's also own mini split, so that way you can control the climate in this room as well. You don't want to be sweating when you're sleeping, or too cold or too hot, with your own closet space right there. Perfect for a small family, maybe 2 people or just one individual person who's maybe going to college or school nearby. I mean, what better place to live, right? You got the whole efficient use of space here.
And one of the other things that we ended up doing that we didn't mention it before, but we put brand new sod, brand new grass, brand new sprinkler system, both the front and the back. And the beautiful thing about that is that it makes it easier, and you don't have to worry about you having to water the grass. Okay, but you also remember, in this property, you also have a 2-car garage back here, which you can convert it into a man cave, right? You can turn this into a really nice man cave for those men that love to have privacy. If you have cars that you want to work on, I love the fact that it has privacy back here. You have a long driveway, and then you can put your cars back here and work comfortably without having to worry about anything. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Guys, Ramon Sanchez.
Matt Sanchez.
We're here to serve you guys, to take care of you guys. If anybody wants to buy a house, sell a house, give us a call. Also, this house, I forgot to tell you guys, it has a tankless water heater, which is a big upgrade that's what a lot of people want right now.
Yeah, that's right.
So, again, we're always here available for you guys. Again, hit the like button, the subscribe button, hit the notification button so that we can keep bringing you these kind of videos.
That's right.
And there's opportunity for you guys. We have 2 more properties that are coming on the market right now that are also 2 homes on a lot. So if this house doesn't fit your criteria, then we can switch you over to the properties in Long Beach or the property in Whittier. And we got 1 more actually in LA. All right, hit us up. Thank you guys. Have an awesome day, and we'll see you guys
next time.
That's right.
We're here to make real estate
real.